Are you guys watching? Because you're gonna judge.
Let's do another circle. There you go. That's ours.
What's that cable?
Beautiful. All right, keep practicing. Coach Julia, are you judging? You judge these ladies?
Are you guys paying attention? Okay, tell me who should be going back to their seat.
Keep going. I'm gonna stay up here for my little one.
Who's going back to their seat? You're not boring. Okay, you're out.
Well,
That's good.